Most people think aging makes you smell a certain way, but the truth is, it's not your age. It's usually a few small hygiene habits no one talks about. Today, I'll share 5 sneaky mistakes that might be aging your scent and how to fix them fast. Let's dive in. 1. Using too much fragrance to mask odor. I used to spray perfume like a shield. A spritz on the wrist, neck, maybe even one for luck. But as I got older, that same scent I loved started clinging differently. Instead of fresh, it smelled heavy, almost stale. Why? As we age, our skin's pH and body chemistry change, and strong fragrances can mix poorly. So how do we fix it? Keep your skin clean and moisturized first. Then, use a light fragrance on pulse points only. Like a flourish, not a cover-up. Because nothing smells better than clean. 2. Not washing hair accessories. You wash your hair, but when's the last time you washed your brush or your scrunchie? I had this gorgeous velvet scrunchie I bought in Italy. Wore it daily. But one day, my scalp itched, and my pillow had this weird smell. I sniffed the scrunchie and nearly dropped it. Perfume, hairspray, sweat, it had it all. And here's how you fix it. Clean hairbrushes weekly with warm water, shampoo, and a toothbrush. Wash fabric accessories in the laundry, just like socks. I even keep a little mesh bag just for clips and scrunchies now. My scalp feels better. My hair stays fresher longer. 3. Holding on to musty clothes. I had this soft cardigan I adored. But one day, I realized it smelled like the past and mildew. Even if something looks clean, old fabric can trap body oils, sweat, and scent from years ago. And to fix it, go through your closet every few months. Wash rarely used items or donate them. If they've aged out, use cedar or baking soda. Sachets in drawers to keep things fresh. Your clothes should reflect who you are today, not what you've outgrown. 4. Rewearing pajamas and sheets too long. Here's the truth. Your body doesn't stop working while you sleep. You shed skin, sweat, drool. Yep, we all do it. Especially under thick blankets. I used to rewear my flannel nightgown for a week straight. But one day, a friend gently asked, "When's the last time you washed your pillowcases?" And this was another easy fix. Wash sheets weekly. PJs every 2-3 wears. Keep a rotation of fresh sets, so it's easy. You'll sleep better and smell fresher waking up. 5. Ignoring the tools that touch your body. Towels, brushes, pillowcases. We use them daily, but often forget they absorb everything we leave behind. Damp towels grow bacteria fast. Dirty brushes redeposit oil. And old pillows, they hold years of scent and sweat. So fix it. Wash towels every 3 uses. Sprinkle baking soda on your mattress once a month and vacuum it up. Wash pillows twice a year or replace every 1-2 years. It's not about perfection. It's about making your space as fresh as your intentions. Aging is beautiful, but freshness is timeless. These small hygiene changes made a big difference in my confidence and how I felt in my own skin. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What's one scent that reminds you of your youth? Take care of yourself and each other. See you in the next one. You deserve to feel as fresh, radiant, and confident as ever. Because aging isn't about fading, it's about evolving.